Hey there, hope everyone's having a good day. So I'm out here playing with succulents, and I'll be making a small arrangement in this elephant planter that I found at the 99-cent store. Super cute. It's pretty small. It's like a 3-incher, and it has no drainage, and I'm not too worried about it since it's so small. So there's not a lot of soil going in there to begin with, so the soil is going to dry way faster than a bigger planter would. So I'll just wait for the soil to be completely dry before giving it a good watering again. I'll show you the plants that I have. I have Portulacaria, Afra, Variegata, also known as rainbow bush, and the margins on this plant turn pink, so it gets super pretty. I have here an Echeveria. This is a blueprint. I just love the green and the blue and the red. And an Echeveria lime and chili. You can see the tips on those leaves, why they call it a lime and chili. One of my favorite Echeverias. So I'm just going to get started and fill this little planter with soil, but not all the way up, because I want to get these taller plants in first. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bundle them up like I want them to look in the arrangement, and I'm going to make sure to line it up with the face here. So the taller ones in the back, oops, that little leaf is falling. So the taller ones in the back, the shorter ones in the front. Okay. Let me kind of shift this one. Yeah, like that. That looks better. Okay, so these two are together in the back there. I'm just going to hold them with my hand from the top, and I'm going to anchor down the soil. And let me shift this there. I'm going to move the soil around that root system and anchor them down with my fingers. So just press it down. Just make sure that it's lined up with the trunk here. And I'm going to gradually add soil now to the top, all the way to the top. Just shift that soil to the back gently. And I'm going to just pull that leaf off right there because it's going to be buried under there. So I'll just pop it off. Okay, that's pretty good. So I'm going to straighten them out. That looks better. Okay. Now I'll be adding my Echeveria blueprints and the lime and chili like that. Cute. Okay. I'm gonna grab my knitting needle to make the small wells here. Grab that blueprints. The root system, I'm gonna kind of bundle it up like that. Just tuck it in there. Won't hurt them. Just making sure they're all buried down into there. That's good. Make the other well. Again, the root system. This one's a little more wild. With my knitting needle, I'm just going to gently tuck in the ones that didn't make it in there. Okay. That's looking pretty good. So now I'm just gonna press in that soil there, kind of anchor them down deeper into the pot. That one doesn't. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna brush these little soil out off of them just gently with these. They do break easy. Got some stones here, just the really small ones. Just gonna collect them here. This is the fun part for me. Well, every part is fun, I guess. But I like playing with the stones and fitting them in. Like the process of it. Just a few more. It looks better. Oh yeah, so that worked out. I'm gonna tuck just a few into this little gap here. Oh, that's pretty dang cute. I'm gonna try and show you how it looks. That is pretty cute. I like it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next time, bye guys.